let's learn how we can format number into a kind of format like this, like 2K, 3K, 5K, and so on, just like you see in social media. For example, like the number of likes the person has or the channel has, the subscription, number of subscription or subscribers, and so on, just like you have in YouTube, as you can see right here on the screen. So we're going to learn how to do this using JavaScript. Very simple. In fact, just a line or two of code will get this thing done. So there used to be some kind of API or an external API, but that is now built right into modern web browsers. It's actually supported by every web browser that I know. Okay, so let's get right into it. So this is the HTML, the basic HTML that forms the structure. Of course, it's actually not about HTML, but just to see how we can do that. But we need to actually make it look nice. So that's why we have this HTML here. So this is the CSS. So that this connects to Google Fonts. Then we have the some other code to make sure that it is formatted properly. Then the body element to make it dark. Then and all the other things there. Okay, so this is just the basic structure. Then the output format, or how it's going to look like, then the input format. So that basically settles the HTML part of, or HTML and CSS part of the whole project. All right, so this is how it looks like if you run it. So it looks like this. So if I type anything now, nothing shows. It doesn't do anything because we have not written the JavaScript code. So let's do the JavaScript. Let's write the JavaScript code now. All right, so now we okay, so let's write the JavaScript code now. Okay, so now write the JavaScript tag, that the HTML tag for JavaScript, because we want to embed the JavaScript here. We don't want to bring it from external source. All right, so then we create the various constant, the outputs, the number inputs, then of course the number formatter. So the number formatter is a constant that I've just created. Is equal to international or internationalization dot number format. Then you include the language, in this case English. Then you have the notation object. Then we have the value as compact. So this actually makes the number format, because that's actually the API right there. It's built into every modern web browser that you see. So we now have number format dot, we add an event listener of key up to number format. Then we create a number variable which is equal to that number formatter that we created earlier. Then dot format the input number, or the number that you input, dot the value. So okay, so it comes from there. So you have this format dot number underscore input, which is the input the user will enter, or the input form basically. So then after which we display it, or we show it out or display it on the output tag. Okay, so that's basically what you have here, as you can see. So you have the number which displays it. So if I go ahead and preview it now, so if I enter a value like 3, 4, 5, so you see that 3, 4, 5, 4, it gives you can see the corresponding formatting that it gives you. So this actually comes handy if you are dealing with creating application that requires something like this. So the idea is that, because if you're going to write the entire imagine somebody writing 1 million or 1 billion, there's going to be a lot of zeros there. So, and it may disrupt your design. So that's the reason for this kind of formatting. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.